Hey everyone, I am so excited. I have been lips zipped for 2 months. It has driven me crazy. Driven me crazy. And I am so glad I can finally announce what is happening in this Friday's live. Super excited. And I just wanted to bring you on the journey and let you know what's happening. So first, a riddle. I will be interviewing somebody this Friday. Yep, that's right. So what do you get when you get big eyes, beautiful hair, lots of color, and an artist that's fabulous? You get Hannah Lynn. That's right. This Friday on Jen's Friday Fun, we are going to be interviewing and talking with Hannah Lynn. Yes, that's right. She is going to be on DP Addiction Adventures this Friday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, I know it's mystery painting collab right now. Brian and I will figure out when to pick up where we left off because, bro, we love you, and I definitely need to keep on that mystery painting because I have no idea what's going on. But please join us this Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are going to have an hour packed full of fun with Hannah Lynn. That is right. So can't wait to see you. Awesome. Invite your friends. Let people know to come and check out, and we will be asking questions. And in the comments below, if you have a question for Hannah Lynn, please put it there. I'm going to look Thursday before I go to sleep, collect some of those questions, tabulate them together, and then ask some of my own questions. And of course, there's the live chat. So I can't wait to see you. Lots of love. Be blessed. I can't wait because it kicks off our healing possibility journey together with a fabulous person. Also, I did do an interview with Mandy Manzano, and we did a draw off. Yes, we drew, and come and see, check it out up in the eye, see who won that. So give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification to remind you this Friday at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time when we will be with Hannah Lynn. You'll be able to see her, talk to her, and hear a little bit about life behind this beautiful artist. So I can't wait. So talk to you later. Bye-bye.